Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're making Thai dessert, red rubies. So first of all, take for water chestnut and cut for small pieces, and take for pandana leaf also. I made it for this pandana leaf of coconut milk. So Maggi powder, coconut milk. I use this dessert. Take for little bit water and this coconut mix together and put for some on pan and add for this pandana leaf and sugar together. Mix nicely and boil minimum 10 to 12 minutes. After thick, then take out one bowls and freezer to one chiller. And this chestnut I put for red rose water and topico starch I added for this chestnut, because this chestnut added topico means like coming for jelly. And hot water I boil for this one 2 to 3 minutes. Slowly cook. This water chestnut coming up means take out the stain. So this is ready. I this soak for cold water 3 to 4 minutes. Then again I go to stain this one and remove this bowl and add it for sugar syrup before I make and ready. So you any bowls you serve this chestnut, this dessert. So I serve for martini glass. This storage coconut milk I take out and add it for this jelly. So very nice, tasty this one. So little bit ice also add, because of this dessert is chill dessert. So garnish you take for mint leaf add, is nice one. So red ruby is ready. It's a very tasty dessert in popular in Thailand. So you have lover in this dessert. Our hotel in available. Our hotel is Accord Metropolitan in Chennai, nearby Pandi Bazaar. So welcome to here. So and our video you like means please subscribe, follow and like please. My name is Chef Lama. Thank you.